If you know me, you know I love Volkswagen. So let's start this what's in the shop right. This is a beautiful 2024 Volkswagen GTI. It came in for the full front protection film. That's gonna be the full front bumper, both fenders, full hood, and both mirrors. It's gonna protect you from all your daily driving. Then he topped it off with a 4-year Expel Fusion ceramic coating, and then Terrell did his magic with the XR Plus ceramic window tint. Then over on the PPF bay, we have, this is a little different. This customer has the full front end already, and he's just adding as you go. So what we did here is, we did some film the whole way down on this door here, and then up onto the quarter panel. Aaron hid this really nice along the body line here. And this is just gonna protect the side from getting kicked up from rocks or anything while he's out here racing tight bars and beating them. Then my original PlayStation 1 Need for Speed favorite is the Acura NSX. This beautiful orange NSX came to us. It had a partial front end on it with paint protection film. We're taking that off now, and then we're gonna protect all the painted surfaces in Expel paint protection film. Keep it safe from rocks and damaging while he's out there racing in the streets. Then there's a lot of favorites today. This is one of Aaron's favorites. We have this beautiful Camaro in here. This is also getting a full Expel paint protection film wrap. We're gonna protect all the painted surfaces from him driving daily, and he's not gonna have to worry about rocks or anything like that damaging his beautiful black paint. Speaking about Need for Speed, here's another favorite, the Dodge Viper in this crazy bright yellow. You don't see these things too much, but this absolute perfect paint on this thing. Caleb polished it out, and then we're doing an Expel 4-year fusion coating on this as well. Then we got the Defender right beside the Viper. We're doing a couple carbon fiber accents on this just to make this a little different and pop it. Then squeeze in over here, Caleb's doing his magic on this Honda Civic. Paint's pretty beat up on it, so he's doing a 2-stage paint correction on it, make that black shine like it did in the showroom once. Then we got the doctor back here doing his work. He's throwing some paint protection film on this Harley. We're gonna protect the front end, and a lot of this is custom because there's just so intricate pieces in there. So Aaron's doing what he can to cover the full front end on this, and then we're gonna also do the front saddlebags too, so where the rocks kick up, that'll be protected from him driving. Coming out here and battling the rain a little bit, we have this 2023 Bronco. This is getting an Expel 4-year fusion coating. That's gonna look great. That black's gonna pop really good. Those wheels are gonna look great as well. Then last but not least is this AMG GT53. This one got into an accident, and we're gonna put new film on the passenger fender, the hood, and the front bumper now that it got back from the body shop. Let's kick it off to my boy Luke and see how they're doing in Gibsonia.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up in the showroom, we have a 2024 BMW i4. This one from our friends at Swickley Car Store. This one got a full front clip paint protection film along with a full paint correction and 4-year ceramic coating. Next up, we have a Lexus GX. This one from our friend Bob. Bob has sent us 3 vehicles in the past month, so shout out to Bob. This one got a full paint correction and ceramic coating. Next up, we got Mark doing his thing on this Rivian R1S. As you can see, it is protected in Expel Stealth. So the bottom half of the vehicle that is limestone, that has stealth on it, upper half of the vehicle that has the black accent pieces, those are protected in Ultimate Plus. As you can see, Mark's just doing the windows right now because we're topping off the paint protection film with the ceramic coating. We also coated the interior, tinted the 2 front windows and the full windshield of this vehicle in our Primex R window tint. And last but not least, swapped out the OEM badging for all satin black badges. Next up is probably the coolest vehicle in the shop this week. It's a Hummer H1. This thing has a really clean interior. This interior is fully redone. As you can see, it's all leather with a lime green stitching, which we love. Blackout tinting colors. So this vehicle's in the shop this week to get the entire vehicle polished out. It's black and it's from the 90s, so it needs some love. So Mark's gonna do his thing on this, get the entire vehicle polished out, and then we're gonna slap a ceramic coating on it. Next up is a Ford F450. This one a dolly, so this was quite a job for Mark. Got the entire vehicle polished out, wheels, paint, everything got a polish, and we coated the entire vehicle in our 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Still in the shop, we have our Panther Camaro. This one's on a standstill just because we're waiting on decals to come in. So I know Aaron's waiting patiently to get his vehicle back, just waiting on GM to get us those decals. We'll get the whole thing reassembled, decals installed, and get this vehicle coated and back in his possession. Next up is a red Porsche 911 Turbo S. This one is in to get a couple dents popped out, and we're also going to be doing a paint correction on the vehicle and our 4-year ceramic coating. In the wash bay, we have Jason doing some final prep work on this Ram 2500. This is in for a paint correction and ceramic coating. In the back, we have our 06 Gallardo. This has been here for a couple weeks, just chipping away at taking off some old PPF and reapplying some new stuff. So far, we have the track package done. We're also adding on some black pieces onto the OEM black. So being this is an 06, there is some signs of wear on the black accent pieces. Luckily, XPEL has black paint protection film now. This will protect the black from being scratched, scuffed, chipped, and also kind of restore that shiny black finish that this had back in 06. Up on the left, we have a 2024 Audi S5 convertible. This one is getting a full wrap. So as you can see, the guys got this thing disassembled. We're laying film on it right now. Once that is complete, we're going to be tinting all the side windows and the back window and doing a ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Last but not least is another Corvette. This one is Z06 in for a full wrap. We tinted the side windows on this in 5% a couple days ago. It's next in line for paint protection film, and once that is complete, we'll be coating the entire vehicle. That is all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Jeff in Miami.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Jeff here, reporting from South Florida. Let's have a look inside and see what the guys are working on this week.
All right, today we have this lovely 2022 Porsche Carrera S. This vehicle is in for a front protection PPF install. We're also going to be doing the tints, XR Plus all the way around. The windshield already has 70, and the rest of the car will get 55.